The question that I get the most is how much does an implant cost? An implant costs around $4,000. You have to be careful with that number because you're going to hear a lot of numbers from a lot of different dental offices. Sometimes when someone tells you an implant costs $1,000, they're just trying to trick you because the implant costs $1,000, but then the crown, the piece that you see in your mouth, they might charge you $5,000. So in my office, it's around $4,000 to replace a tooth with an implant, and that includes the surgery and the crown day. But again, those numbers can change on a lot of factors. For example, if you lose your front tooth and you need to place an implant there, some people want a temporary tooth so that they're not going without a tooth while the implant is integrating. So if you need something like a flipper or an Essex retainer, something to make it look like you're not missing a tooth, then you might need to pay for that. So that might increase the cost. If you need a bone graft or a sinus lift, that might increase the cost a little bit. There are times that I do not raise the fee if you do need those things. For example, if you're getting a tooth out and I can take the tooth out the same day as I place the implant, usually I don't even charge to take a tooth out or for a bone graft because I'm already doing the surgery that day, I'm already in there. So that's one benefit to coming to me because I package everything into one price. If I can take the tooth out, put the implant the same day, then I usually charge you the original $4,000. And even if you do need a bone graft that same day, I won't charge you because I'm already in there. A lot of other dental offices, they're going to charge you bone extraction, which is to take out the tooth. If I'm in there same day and I can put the implant in the same day, I will not charge you extra. That being said, if you're doing a bigger case and you're doing more implants, then it might be less than $4,000. So for example, if you're missing let's say 2 teeth in a row, we're doing a bridge with dental implants on either side. If I'm already in there, we might go down to $3,000 an implant because it's a little easier for me because I'm already in there. So, but in a general gist, I know everyone wants to know how much an implant costs. Let's say it's around $4,000. Now, there are cases that are that have to do 6 implants on top or 6 implants on bottom to do a full arch all on 4, all on 6 case. And again, the price of the implant goes down even less because I'm doing so many of them. So another thing is, I know a lot of people think, oh, $4,000 is a lot of money, but you have to understand that we use good dental labs and we use good dental implants. So a lot of dental offices get their implants from China, and you don't know what kind of metal is in these implants. Also, they use labs. Again, not to pick out China, but we can use crowns that are from China and have bad metal in them, and you just don't want that in your body. Lastly, there are payment options. You can do a payment plan where you can put some amount of money down and you can finance the rest of the $4,000 or whatever, depending on the treatment plan, over a 6 or a 12-month period. Or if it's a really large case, like we're doing every tooth in your mouth, you can also do a proceed finance, and we can finance the whole thing, over 12 months, 24 months, or even 5 years to make it affordable.